Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a pencil artist and I want to share with you my next free 3-day coloured pencil workshop, The Joy of Drawing. We're going to dive into the wonderful world of coloured pencils. Maybe you're looking for a fantastic, relaxing, mindful new hobby that enables you to focus your mind and create something that gives you that real sense of achievement. Or maybe you're a little bit further on in your coloured pencil journey and you're feeling a little bit stuck, or perhaps you want to learn some new techniques to improve your skills. I'm going to be showing you step by step some really simple ways to achieve realistic fur texture, a glassy eye, to blend the pencils to get rid of any graininess, and show you how important values are when achieving that realistic look. I'm also going to be talking about mindset and how important it is to stay inspired, to really feel the joy, to take the pressure off of our drawing and really have some fun. And remember the reason that we started it in the first place and why we always go back to it. I really want to bring the joy back into drawing. So come and join me in this workshop. It's going to be taking place in my Facebook group, Artist Community, a wonderful community of artists at all different stages of their artistic journey. I'm going to be live for 3 days, the 5th, 6th and 7th of October at 10:30, but you can always catch me on replay if you're unable to make these times. So click on the link to download your PDF with your line art, your reference photo and your materials list so that you can draw along with me, and I really look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.